Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix CapCut problems on PC step by step. So whether it is not opening, freezing while editing, crashing on export or showing a black screen, this particular step is going to basically eradicate all of these problems. So first of all, you will have to close your CapCut completely. After that, simply press Windows plus R here on your PC. Over here, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you where you need to enter this command, which is percentage app data percentage backslash CapCut. Now, once you hit enter, you are going to find the CapCut cache or the temporary folders. So you will have to delete those, and this clears any of the corrupted data that causes the lag and the crashes. In this step 2, you will have to update your GPU drivers. For that, you will have to click on the option of the start icon. Then you are going to see the option of device manager. So here in the device manager, you will see the option of display adapter. Once you click on this particular option, you will see all of your GPU drivers. So you will have to right click on that and update the drivers. Now, outdated drivers are the main reason why your CapCut freezes or gives you the black previews during the playback. Now, you can also try freeing some of the system resources. For that, simply just right click on the taskbar, then come here in your task manager. You just have to end the heavy background applications over here like the browsers or the updaters, and make sure that your PC has at least 2 GB of the free RAM before launching CapCut. Also close the other video editors. They may also conflict with CapCut's GPU usage. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.